everyone, it's Magdalena here from Thermomix. I hope you're having a great week. Today I'll show you how to register to Cookidoo and how to use it. Remember that you have 30 days for free so that you can test it and see whether you like it. And the subscription then is £30 a year. And judging by the fact that one book costs between 22 I think to 40 or about £40, then it is really worth your money. And then you can transfer it into your TM5 or TM6 and use it as much as you want. I went into cookidoo.co.uk and now you need to press try it for free or sign up. It's going to take you to the same page. You need to put in your email address and create a password. Choose a country and click I've read and accept. And now you have to go back to your email. You've got the activate, just one more step, activate my account. If you go to start personalization, you can choose your name. So let's take Thermigirl, continue. And then you select your device. So I've got already, I've got TM6, I'll select this. You selected Thermomix TM6. To link your account with your new TM6, simply log in with your Cookidoo credentials on your Thermomix. Next. And personalize your Cookidoo. Let us know if you're happy with these settings. You can change them at any time you like. Synchronization and update of customer data between forward group companies. I don't want that. And welcome to Cookidoo. Yay! Start exploring. We've created our account now. And I want to show you just briefly what's within the account. You've got your membership and devices, but if you look on the left, that's what we want to go through. So account overview, membership. That's where you will see until when is your membership valid. Here we have the trial, it's for free, 30 days until 6th of September. My devices, add my device, so you can add your Thermomix, so either TM5 or TM6 and Cookie. So I'll select TM6. And with TM6 you can also activate Cookidoo on the device actually. But that you can check in my video over here. Purchase content, I don't have any purchased content. That's where you purchase, usually you could purchase the collections before. Vouchers, so this is where you put your voucher code, because once your 30 days expire, then you will see here a little dot, like an orange dot, like on WhatsApp. And that means that you need to put in your card details if you want to extend your subscription, or if you have a voucher from your advisor, then you put the voucher here and click redeem. Alternatively, it will get automatically extended if you buy Thermomix. Usually it's for up to 6 months. Data usage. That's what we had when we were registering, if you remember. So you can also change it here if you want to receive marketing materials. Change profile. Okay, so you can change your email to name and password. Alt, new, so you can change your password as well. Then here on the top, you can see explore my recipes and my week. So let's go to explore. That's what you will see also on the screen of TM6. And if you don't if you don't put anything in the search bar, just click search. You'll see that because we are automatically on the United Kingdom Cookidoo, you will see that we have 2,706 recipes here. And this is the UK platform. And these are recipes. So if you click here to collections, it will group it into collections. So it may be easier for you to navigate through collections. If you deduct United Kingdom, that's where you will see all the results throughout whole Cookidoo in any country that it exists in. And then again, because it's collections, so that's why you see 3,431, but if you go to recipes, you'll see 49,405. So that's awesome. And these are in all the different languages as well. Now, if you go to filters, look how you can maneuver around those those platforms. So you can search by category. So starters, soups, main dishes, side dishes, sauces, desserts, baking, drinks, etc. By ingredient, by prep time and total time. Portions, you can go even more than 8. Thermomix version, you can click only one though. Countries, so you can select all the countries. Click on one country. You can have then the languages as well. So you just need to select some. Okay. And let's just choose any recipe, like caramel custard, because I just want to show you how to add those. So you can see here, explore my recipes and my week. So if you want to add this recipe to make it anytime later, you just press add, click add, and you can either bookmark it, add to collection, or add to my week shopping list. So if you bookmark it, saved as a bookmark, and you go to my recipes, you see that's where you will have them. So that's bookmarks that we've created. Let's see another one, beetroot. Also another hint here. If you type in any of the ingredients, you can straight away see the recipes. However, if you don't click on any of those recipes, just press search, you'll have a lot more results. Well, this beetroot is really, really good, beetroot soup. You can also go here, you see those little dots. You don't need to go into the recipe, and you can bookmark it as well. Have a look. And now, if you go to my recipes, see, you've got those 2 recipes in your book. And we want to make this one today, cook today. And the caramel custard, we want to add it to my week. That's where we can choose a date, let's say the 15th, and click save. Then when you go to my week, you will see the recipes as planned. And here you should also see that there is like a gray area here. And you can add them to shopping list. So for example, if you wanted to do shopping for this particular recipe, you will see it's been added to the shopping list. If you, however, want to do like the whole week, you also add any other recipes. And then you will see that it'll show you all the ingredients in one go. So it will group it either by category, where you can also add additional items, for example, paper towels, or it can also show it to you by recipes. So you'll see beetroot soup and caramel custard. Remember also that if you have any of the ingredients, for example, you have butter at home or eggs, by ticking it off, it disappears from your list. Okay. And it shows here. And then you click options and you can share, which you can copy here. So when you press copy, ingredients copy to clipboard, and then you can, when you do it on your phone, you can easily paste it into WhatsApp or email it to whoever is doing the shopping. And then you just clear it all once you've done the shopping. And remember that you can also save recipes. So for example, let's go to Explore, by collections. And for example, there is a lot of things that you want to make from this book, let's say, savory. So you can also save the whole book. You see, if you click save, and you go to my recipes, that's where you will have it. Okay. And I want to show you one more option. If you want to create your own collections, let's say you want to do caramel popcorn, so party food, let's say. So you create collection, you go here, and let's say party food, and you save. And here in my recipes, so that's your navigation center, kind of. You see party food, and you can do like vegan, vegetarian. We go to the Australian because there is a lot of very healthy recipes on the Australian platform. So let's go to Australia. So there is over 2,000 recipes, and here on Australian Cookidoo, you can actually search by even like vegan or vegetarian, because that's how the recipes are tagged. And if you press enter, you'll see 448 results. So, you know, even if it doesn't say vegan in the name, for example here, you know that these are vegan. So that's really awesome. So let's say fruit and yogurt pizza, and you may want to add a collection called vegan. Save, and that's going to be added to vegan. So then again, if you go to my recipes, you'll see that's where it's all created. And you go created, so that's what we've done. Saved, it's going to be the book. So the whole book, or whole collection, if you save them, that's where they are going to be. If you like my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button for notifications on videos to come. Have a lovely end of the week.